Festivals. A festival is an occasion for celebrations. Some festivals last for a day, while some others last for a few days or even a week. Festival times are happy times. During a festival, we clean and decorate our houses, wear new clothes, pray to God, exchange gifts with friends and relatives, enjoy delicacies. Festivals can be broadly classified into three categories: national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated by the entire nation. Some important national festivals celebrated with great enthusiasm in India are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and Children's Day. We celebrate Republic Day on January 26 every year. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15 every year. On this day, India got freedom from the British.